Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is an early pair review. What we're going to be diving into is the upcoming Kobe 8 Protro Venice Beach. As you guys know, this colorway right here originally dropped in 2013. This is basically going to be the rerun, the retro of it, and they're going to be dropping another version. It is a Kobe 8. I believe the last were also Kobe 8, so again, basically just a redo of them, and I'm going to get into all the details up close, kind of everything we got with this sneaker, just so in case it's a pair you guys might be interested in, it's going to be a great pair of Kobe's on the way, so stay tuned. And this is just a size 8.5. I got an 8 and 7 also, so if anybody's interested, hit me up my Instagram down below. I'm always buying, selling, trading kicks there. I've recently done some trades with you guys, so hey, you know, I can always work that out. And yeah, just hit me up if you're ever interested in anything. I will get back to you, and I should have some bigger sizes in these soon, probably next month. I've mainly been focusing on military blues, probably understandable, but yeah, excuse my neighbor with the leaf blower. Let's continue when they're done. All right, so I think I'm good to record now. I think they're done, you know, blowing leaves. So we can get into reviewing this pair right here. So this is going to be the Kobe 8 Proto Venice Beach. So I've been tricked. Alright, so now officially getting into the review. So some of the up close details with this sneaker, as you guys can see, very similar to the recent Kobe 8 Court Purple and the Kobe 8 Emerald Green. In terms of this material right here, it's just kind of, you know, a fabric material. It's not like, you know, a mesh. I know it may look like that, but it is just a fabric material that is kind of going around the sneaker. That's what they got on both of them. I believe that is very similar to the OGs as well, that had kind of this same fabric material. I could be wrong on that, but I do know that this colorway in particular is based off a 2013 colorway, and you guys can see we got kind of a reflective swoosh. Very interesting. You might be able to see that a little bit, you know, but at nighttime it would definitely, you know, if there was someone taking photos, it would, you know, flash and kind of, you know, reflect off that. You know, I'm not trying to like you know, really dive too deep into that, but y'all can probably understand and see that part in case you're curious. So it's kind of reflective around both of the Nike swooshes right there. But another small detail we got on these, I really want to dive into the tongue tag, because this part is weird. As you guys can see with these right here, it's a very thin tongue. Like there's not like check this out. Like you see what I'm saying? Very thin tongue tag. There's, you know, that might mess with some people's foot. You know, some people might not like that, you know, because it might rub up you know, kind of against like the top of your ankle. I could be wrong on that, but I think these will probably be fine. It'll probably be comfortable. I know a lot of my hoopers have told me that, hey, Kobe's are always a great you know, kind of go-to sneaker. They're reliable. Most models are reliable, and yeah, ends up just being a, you know, comfortable sneaker over time. Like once you break them in, they're actually good. You know, for the court. No surprise, it's a basketball sneaker, so that's exactly what it's designed for. But also, I want to show you guys this right here. Here is the sole for these right here. Just want to quickly show you all that. So you guys can see basically what we got going on, kind of that Venice Beach colorway that's you know, around the whole entire sneaker, but we got kind of this bright orange Kobe logo, and then kind of this blue you know, circle that is surrounding it, and then also kind of this translucent sole on both of the sneakers. And exact same thing right here. As you guys can see, it's the same on both of them. But just a little quick detail I wanted to kind of show you guys about the Venice Beaches. Also have the orange Kobe signature, which is on both of them right here by the heel. There, you guys can see that right there, and also right here as well. So those are some of the details I can just kind of show you all right off the bat. Also, we do have the insole right here. Here's that green insole Kobe logo right there. You kind of can see that is also going down the sneaker. Maybe some grip, you know, for your foot right there. So another real, you know, kind of interesting piece. Also got the carbon fiber on the center of the sneaker, also kind of going, you know, right here. So it kind of supports your foot a little bit more, kind of the center portion of your foot, the bridge, if that makes sense. And then we also have the Nike logo, which is on both of them, right up here by the heel. As you guys can see, that is on both of those right there. So something else I just wanted to show you guys, and also you guys can see kind of these yellow and red laces, almost like McDonald's. Not really, I'm just kind of playing around there, but you guys can see that is the kind of theme we got going on. It's on both the laces, as you guys can see right there. So overall, pretty nice. Definitely a very funky shoe. Very funky, very interesting. Not something we've seen recently with a lot of these Kobe's. I mean, the only one that I can think is kind of, you know, wild and crazy like these is the actual, again, recent Kobe 8s we had, the Emerald Greens and Court Purples. I think those are kind of out there, a little bit wild, and I definitely think for some people, they're going to absolutely hate these. But then for others, they're going to be like, oh, I remember wearing these back in high school, 2013. Like, I'm totally going to cop these. So there's going to be some people that love them. There's going to be some people that absolutely hate them. I know some people recently when I posted an early photo of these, they were like, oh, this new colorway, these new colorways are bad. But you got to forget, this is not new, right? I mean, it is a new sneaker we have on the way. But this colorway, the idea of this is not new because they did it again back in 2013, in case you did not know. Just something I wanted to let you guys, kind of understand there in case you may not have known that. But I'm sure anybody that is a big Kobe fan, big Kobe sneaker fan, probably knew that and probably, even maybe remembers, the first release of these. So you guys can see tongue tags the same on both of them. Also want to show you all the heel, which is reflective also. Again, another reflective part. Like if you, kind of put some flash, or not put some flash, but, where you're taking photos with flash on, this part of the sneaker right here, back by the heel, would also be reflective and you guys would see that. So another little cool part. Again, you guys can see the tongue tag is very, very thin, not like a, thick kind of tongue tag like, we would see maybe on like a SB or even on some other Kobe's, just kind of a thin, little simple one. But yeah, overall, very light sneaker as all. Like these are lightweight. It is a smaller size. It's 8.5, right? So not my personal. But a little small, lightweight shoe. Pretty much, how I would describe Kobe 8s. They're not like a really heavy and chunky model. It's just, one you could throw on the court. Of course, you got a lot of grip on these, as you guys can see. There's plenty. No shortage, as you guys can see. So these will be good for any of my hoopers out there. And I think prices will probably settle. Again, I can't determine that right now. We will have to see what the stock numbers are, but you never know where the prices could settle for some Kobe's nowadays. But it seems like a lot of the recent ones have been settling between a range of $250 to $400, depending on their hype. Obviously, if stock ends up being super low for this colorway right here, then they'll be a little bit more expensive, on the more expensive side. But they already might be a little bit more expensive because, again, they originally did this colorway. It's a retro. People are going to want to grab this one because maybe they had the originals. So that's just something else I want to, kind of point out. Also got, again, kind of this orange, lining, not lining, but, padding that is, going around the sneakers. You guys can see that's kind of what we got on the insole before, it transitions to kind of that green right there, which, again, the Kobe logo is right on the inside right there. You probably can't see that, but that is on the insole as well. And, yeah, overall just fabric material. You got the, logo, Kobe's logo is also there on the tongue tag. I want to show you all that up close in case I have not. Another really, really nice detail. And yeah, overall these sneakers are well put together, man. That's one of the main things I can mention. I like kind of the aqua colorway we got going on right here. Also around the heel, how that, orange signature is, kind of matched up on that. So pretty cool, but definitely a funky shoe. And we're going to have some, I will say this is an early prediction I'm putting out there. I don't think these Kobe's right here are going to be, extremely limited. I think the ones that the next Kobe we're going to have that is truly going to be like very, very limited is going to be the Mambasita Kobe's, Kobe 8, another Kobe 8, going to have the same fabric material as these, but it comes with like a hang tag. I believe the box is unique as well. So, once you start getting into unique box, has a hang tag with them, is a Kobe sneaker, Mambasita. They haven't done a Kobe 8 yet. And again, it's part of that, going to be part of the Mambasita set. So yeah, that's probably going to be the next Kobe that's going to be really hard to grab, just based off the early prices. Those are going for, 900 plus at the moment. So yeah, these though are between a range of 300, 400. That's why I'm selling them at. So yeah, if anybody's interested, just hit me up on my Insta. Not too crazy. Again, I do not have the box for them, but they would ship immediately, and yes, I can prove any form of authentication that you guys need. I'm not going to be showing, the size tag and all that up close in this video, because obviously that type of information leaking is not good, because, if people see the size tag, then reps can be produced a lot easier for a shoe, because that's like one of the last pieces of information needed for anything to do with rep sneakers. They need to see the size tag so they can copy the OG model. So I'm not going to be showing that on this, but anything else, y'all can DM me. I'll send you the check. I know some of y'all have been buying military blues off me, so I appreciate that. Thank y'all for trusting the process, getting those out as quickly as possible, and of course y'all seeing that they're 100% legit. So that's it, everything I really need to mention about the Kobe 8 Venice Beach, which we will have dropping in April 13th is the predicted date. But with these leaking a bit early, I would not be shocked if it ends up loading up maybe like late next month because they try and push the release. That's what they ended up doing for the military blues. Got pushed from May to April, late April. So I could see them doing the same thing for these because it was scheduled, for mid-April. So they might push it up to like end of March, kind of like they did with, again, the military blue release, because that got, pairs were leaking out everywhere. So that's really everything I need to say about these on the way. Let me know your thoughts. Are you a fan of this retro? Do you like that they're redoing the sneaker? Do you notice any details that are directly different from the 2013 pair? I would love to hear it down below because I'm always trying to learn. So any of my OGs, please let me know some knowledge. Do you see anything? Let me know. Anything that might be a little different on these from the 2013 version, please let me know. I would like to hear that. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts on the shoe. I know it's not some people's style. I know. But like, this is part of the sneaker game, You're not gonna like every shoe, right? Like, have y'all seen those Jordan 4 cage, like the all white like cage pair they're doing, where they're making like the plastic cage like larger and it like goes over the sneaker? Yeah, those are, I don't know what Jordan Brand's thinking there. But yeah, hit me up down below on Insta if y'all need any kicks. If y'all want to buy a pair of these, I got 7, 8, 8.5 left. Just let me know in my DMs, and I'd appreciate that. So that's really all I need to mention there. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the Venice beaches. You're going to be copping, dropping? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Should be tomorrow or the day after. I got, a little bit more time now. I'm kind of getting into midterm season for college. So, we'll see. It depends on how I, schedule it all, so hopefully I do the best. But that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you all in the next video, which should be tomorrow or Wednesday. So see y'all then. Let me know your thoughts on these. Peace.